Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Yale to manage passcodes and schedules, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the registration process with Yale, visit the official Yale University website. On the home page, locate the login option, typically found in the upper right. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a new page where you can find information regarding registration. If you do not have an account, look for the Create an Account option. Click on Create an Account to start the registration process. You will be prompted to fill in personal information, including your first name, last name, email address, and a secure password. Carefully read the terms and conditions provided. If you agree to the terms, check the box to indicate your acceptance. Next, click on the Submit button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation email at the address you provided. Open the email and follow the instructions to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Yale website and click on Login again. Enter your email address and the password you created. After logging in, navigate to the Passcode Management or Schedule Management section. Follow the prompts to set up your passcodes and manage your schedules as needed. Ensure that you save any changes you make during this process. If you encounter any issues, refer to the FAQ or support section for additional assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Yale to manage your passcodes and schedules. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.